Hey friends, today is April 14th. I'm gonna head soon to the station to get my bus to Agra. We're gonna see Taj Mahal soon. Yeah, it's already past 1 and I'm getting some problems locating my pickup point. This is kind of annoying. Yeah, so I found it. It was like close by, but the directions are definitely wrong. Like directions on red bus are not good. Yeah, so on the bus. It's like a very good bus, no ego. So far, one of the best. Yeah, it's 700 to Agra, 5 hours, 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Yo, so we're off. Leaving Jaipur. What can I say? Jaipur is nice. Actually, I enjoyed it. Maybe it's because it's more touristic, like more tourist friendly. I don't know. It looks like they put more effort to make a tourist feel better, you know, they clean more and maybe there's more restaurants that have Western food. But yeah, if you want to feel the real India, Jaipur is just, you know, the scratch on a mountain. Yeah, but still nice. You can do the golden triangle, like Delhi, Agra, Jaipur. Yeah, a lot of people do that, like in 10 days or 11 days. I stayed here for 7 days, 7 nights. So, yeah. Yeah, so Agra is famous for marble. Looks cool. So I'm in a quite noisy place, but I'm further from the street. Yeah, it looks like kind of simple hotel, but it will do. The owners are very friendly, very welcoming. So this is my simple room. Not much. What can you give for 1,000 rupees in Agra? I wasn't like very picky when I took this hotel. I was just like see and book. It has a window, so that's nice, and it's not in the street. Yeah, this looks okay. Yeah, shower, a little rusty, but what can you do? Yeah, it's kind of worn down, but it doesn't have bed bugs. It should be okay. Yeah, it doesn't smell moldy. Has an AC. Don't know why you need this, but it's also here. There's no towel. I need to ask for a towel. So yeah, 1,000 rupees cash. That's what you get. 1 kilometer to Taj Mahal. So very convenient. Even if I stay only like 1 day or something.